0. 25%, 50%.
Trust me, if I turn my head away from it, I lose it too. Up right into the sun.
Straight at it, and there's like a
50.
a
Time
fuzz
remaining
or a
1
cloud
minute.
right
Gear
in there, a
down.
real thin one.
25%. 0. 25%. 0.
Nice. I like the way it stays playing when it touches down.
Gear up. 50%.
Blinded.
50%. 50%. 50%. 25%. 50%. Time remaining 1 minute.
Okay, I've lost it. Oh crap.
Landing flaps.
Just a duck.
25%. 0. 25%. 30 seconds. 0.
A little bit of a drop, but
25%. 0. 20. 0.
That's when I stick to my prop.
For a second there, I thought you were flying. I looked over. There's the next one too. Yeah.
50%.
The funny part
Gear up.
is my mom is 93.
Boy, that's rock solid, solid. Look at that.
Yeah.
Not even bubbly.
Yeah.
Time
It's
remaining.
on the
G limit
flybys.
disengaged.
You know.
0 throttle. 25%. 50%.
But if you think about like my mom, this is my trouble. I'm still all kind of her and stuff for me.
Yeah. It's really something.
She
Yeah,
and my
well.
sister both wrote to me about every day or two when I was in Vietnam.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Advice.
25%. 50%.
The wind may not be so bad as solid as that thing flies in the low pass.
0 throttle. 50%.
No, they don't.
25%. 50%. 0 throttle. Landing flaps. 25%. 0 throttle. 25%. 0 throttle. 0 throttle. 0 throttle. 5%.
Wow, look at that. Beautiful.
There's some downdrafts out there.
50%.
I'm sure I brought my brazier set.
Gear up. 50%. Time remaining 3 minutes. 25%, 50%. G-limit disengaged. 50%. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. %. 50%. 20 seconds. 0 throttle. 8. 0 throttle. 25%. 7. 6. 0 throttle.
For that.
I've got it. You know, I got a propeller airplane. I just got.
We'll probably have to adjust your ESC warnings.